Just about go time. Let me flip this around. I am all set up here, ready to go. Well, mostly ready to go. I have to do star alignment, polar alignment, and then I can start chasing down. My first target is M61. I'm going to get a couple hours on M61, a galaxy. It has a supernova that's showing up in it right now from 51 million years ago. So I thought I'd try and catch that. I also set up my Nexstar, my old telescope Nexstar 127 SLT. That'll just be for observation, visual. If I get a chance, I'll play around with that. But this is primarily my goal is M61 and then a subsequent target, which I haven't chose yet. I have a lot queued up, but we'll see how things are playing out. Just gonna sit here and do my thing, listen to my audiobook, and drink a beer and enjoy the night sky. There's the moon right there. Looks pretty nice. Yeah, let's see how that goes. Hopefully it'll go good.
There goes nothing.